Could I buy you a drink? Wine, perhaps?
Perhaps, but I'll warn you, I'm very discerning. I'm somewhat of a connoisseur. Well, I've had better.
My name's William Thompson.
Paulette Kubiak. Charmed.
I love this song.
That we've met before.
Might I have this dance?
Your eyes
You
have
might.
a glimmer like a twilight shore. I feel like I know you. Your laugh and your smile. Your great sense of humor is filled with sweet style. How could we feel this? How could this be? I've never met someone who could do this to me. Now that I've met you, I can't let you go. Now I'm all a twitter, from my head to my toes.
You sing beautifully.
I've always loved singing, but I'm far too shy to sing on stage.
I think I would call you my little songbird.
Full evening, isn't it? William, is everything all right?
Yes.
Why so serious?
Paulette, there's something I need to talk to you about.
What is it?
It's this letter. It came from the draft office today, and I didn't want to open it until I was with you. Having submitted yourself to a local board composed of your neighbors for the purpose of determining your availability for training and service in the land or naval forces of the United States, you are hereby notified that you have now been selected for training and service therein.
You've been drafted?
Well, it's for my country. I have to help go fight the good fight. I can't ignore it.
What about us?
I know that we've only been together for a short time, but I was hoping you'd wait for me.
Of course I will. Just promise me you'll come home safe.
Paulette, I will. I promise.
I promise I'll return home to you soon. Until then, my songbird. All my love, William. Yes?
Miss Kubiak?
Yes?
I'm James. I was a friend of William's.
Do you have any news?
I was his commanding officer when he was stationed in Italy. We took some fire and I got hit. They sent me home. I just got home this morning.
I had a letter from him yesterday, but it was dated over a month ago.
I'm afraid I've got some bad news. William is missing.
Missing? What is that supposed to mean?
He was reported missing in action.
Missing in action? What does that mean? Where is my William?
He was one of the last men left in camp. He was tasked with moving some materials to a new base outside Sicily. He, along with another soldier, never returned to camp. We went back for them, but all we found were munitions and debris. Although no body was ever
A body?
he was presumed dead. I'm very sorry. I promised William that if anything happened to him, that I would tell you about it. We found these. He loved you very much.
Dead?
I'm so sorry.
Missing in action. What does that mean? My life just unraveled, torn apart at the seams. They gave him his mission. They know where he is. How could he be missing? They know where he is.